Want the best possible audio quality from your ElevenLabs voiceovers. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or professional narrations, exporting high-quality audio can make a noticeable difference. In this guide, I'll show you how to export high-quality audio from ElevenLabs in 2026. First, create your voiceover using the text-to-speech tool. Enter your script, select a voice, and generate the audio as you normally would. Before exporting, listen to the entire recording. Check for pronunciation issues, awkward pauses, or sections that may need adjustments. It's better to fix problems now than after downloading. To improve overall quality, experiment with voice settings such as stability, similarity, style, and speed. Even small changes can make the final audio sound more polished and natural. When you're ready to export, review the available download options on your plan. If multiple formats or quality levels are available, choose the highest quality option that fits your workflow. Click the download button and save the file to your device. Use a dedicated folder for voiceovers if you're working on multiple projects. Open the downloaded file and listen again using headphones or speakers. This helps confirm that the export completed successfully and that the audio quality meets your expectations. For professional projects, consider importing the audio into editing software. You can reduce noise, normalize volume levels, add music, or apply light mastering before publishing, And that's how to export high-quality audio from ElevenLabs. By reviewing your voiceover, optimizing settings, and selecting the best export options available, you can achieve professional-sounding results for any project. So take a few extra minutes to fine-tune your audio and you'll hear the difference. Thanks for watching.